The Hawks taking on the Rockets, and James Harden, his 30-plus point streak, it's officially over. He was able to do it 32 games in a row, but tonight he only scores 28. The rookie Trae Young, he scored a career-high 36 points. He had 8 threes, and a lot of them were deep from way downtown. He's starting to look like his college self with the way that he's playing. Vince Carter left open, knocking down the 3 in his final season. To end the first quarter, it's Gerald Green with the splash off the double team. In the second quarter, a mean slam, and that was created by Trae Young. He's attracting so much attention. Here goes another splash. He's having so much fun. Now he comes off a double screen. Look at that pass. Woo! Inside to Collins. Another double screen up top, and he's going to launch it from deep again. He is just pulling the trigger tonight. We've got a turnover. We're going the other way. CP3, he's looking back to Eric Gordon for a deep splash. Now the Rockets are establishing their control. For Reed is going to throw down a vicious slam. Oh my goodness. Then CP3 to end the third quarter and one as he steps it back, poses for the cameras on the ground. Trae Young, he's still pulling the trigger from deep. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. And he's not done yet, because now in transition, he just decides to pull it again. All of a sudden, it's a close game. It's a 1-point game, but look at the ball movement from the veteran Rockets. CP3 is in the corner. Trae Young is not done yet, though. He's going to launch up another 3. What a mean step back splash. James Harden delivers the dagger, though. That's a weak double team. Rockets go on to win. Oh, I just wasted an ankle breaker. You can't do that in All-Star Weekend. Ooh, I got another one. No! That's a murder. Wow, I lifted off from way back there. I don't think I've ever taken off from there to slam it. That is crazy.